Hello student, today we will start with a new chapter. The chapter is triangle. Triangle. So in this chapter we will talk about the congruency of triangle. In previous classes you already know about the triangle. Triangle is a three-sided enclosed figure. In the triangle is divided into three parts. One is scalene triangle. What is scalene triangle? Triangle whose three sides are different. You can name them A, B, C. Triangle whose three sides are different are called scalene triangle. Next, this is called isosceles triangle. Triangle whose two sides are equal and one side is unequal are called isosceles triangle. And third is triangle whose three sides are equal is called equilateral triangle. These are the three parts of the triangle or three properties of the triangle. You can say the triangle, scalene triangle, isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle. But in this chapter what we will study, we will talk about the congruency of the triangle. Congruency of the triangle. Congruency of a triangle. Congruency of a triangle. So, congruency of the triangle. What is the meaning of congruency? Congruency means two parts or two objects which are similar in shape and size. When they both are similar in shape and size, then we can say that they are congruent. And this congruency is called congruent. Congruent. In this congruency, this means that triangle which have shape same and size same. Shape same and size same. Like this is or you can say this is a rectangle, side 3 centimeter, and there is another rectangle. First part is shape. These both shape are equal. Both are rectangular. They both are rectangle in shape. The first condition is proof that both of them are rectangle. Next is little bit bigger. Next we will talk about size. This is 5 centimeter and this is 3 centimeter. Size is also same. This is also, length is also 5. Length here is also 5. Breadth is 3. Breadth is 3. Then we can say that they are congruent. Now, what we have to study? We have to study the congruency of triangle. We have to study congruency of triangle. So, here the concept of shape. Like this is a triangle. Concept of shape is cross. We are talking about the triangle. All what we will draw here, all are triangle. But shape, triangle may be in this shape, or you can say that triangle may be in this shape. So you cannot say that both this shapes. We require proper shape. Okay. If we rotate this like this, it will change to like this. But in starting point, we need the similar shape. We need the same shape. Now, congruency. What is congruency of triangle? We will write a definition. Triangle whose one side whose side and angle is equal to corresponding sides and angles of another triangle. Triangle whose sides and angles is equal to corresponding sides and angle of other triangle, then we can say that those triangles are congruent to each other. Now congruent to each other. Now the term here congruent. Congruent is a very important term here. Congruent, the word congruent is very important here. I will tell you what is the meaning of corresponding here. Corresponding is the meaning of corresponding here. Suppose these two triangles A, B, C and these two triangles D, E, F. If these two triangles are here, suppose it is given to us A, B, C. This is a sign delta which represent triangle here. Congruent, this is a sign of congruent. Congruent to triangle D, E, F. It is given to us. Right now we are taking that it is given to us. Now we have to show you the tell you the word corresponding meaning here. Here, look here. This is AB. This is a side AB. This is a side DE. So we will write AB equals to DE. Now next is this is BC. We will write BC here, and this is EF. We will write EF here. This is EF here. Next side is this is A and this is C. AC equals to DF. DF. So this is what we have talked about. Corresponding sides. AB, this DE. BC, this EF, and AC, DF. Now we will talk about angles, corresponding angle. Angle A equals to angle D. This angle A equals to this angle D. In the similar way, angle B equals to angle E, and angle angle C equals to angle F. This is where we talk about angle A is equals to angle D, angle B equals to angle E, angle C equals to angle F. So these are the corresponding angles. This is the meaning of corresponding here. This is the meaning of corresponding here. Now, next in this little bit I will talk about the triangle. This is a triangle. This is A, B, C. From this vertex or this vertex is where two lines join, that is called vertex. I draw a line segment here which bisect this line segment BC in two equal parts. Then you can say that AD, here I am talking about median. Then you can say that AD is median. AD is median of triangle ABC. And what is the properties of this median here is that AD divides a triangle in two smaller triangle with equal area. This triangle ABD and this triangle ABC, they both have equal area. This is the property of median. What is median? This AD is a median. Here it will meet here at the midpoint of BC. In the next we will get BD equals to DC. BD will equals to DC. So AD is the median of, if AD is the median of a triangle ABC. In a similar way, you can take a median from here and here also. You can name it EF. In a similar way. Now, where the median, this means that a triangle will have three medians, and where these three median intersect, where, yeah, or you can say the intersecting, intersecting, whatever you can take, intersection point of three median is called centroid. It's called centroid. Here we can point it O or C. We can write any point. C is already here. We can write O here. This O is centroid of triangle ABC. What is centroid? Where the three median where the point where three median intersect is called the centroid. Now, here, next we will talk about altitude. Triangle ABC. Altitude is the perpendicular line, like this. You can draw it perpendicular. This is a perpendicular line. Altitude is a perpendicular line. What is altitude? A perpendicular line. Altitude is a perpendicular line on BC. You can say that AD is perpendicular on BC. AD perpendicular on BC. Now, one perpendicular we can draw from here. We can draw from here. We can name it E and F. Now, where the three altitude meets, that is called orthocenter. Here you can write point of intersection of three altitude is called orthocenter. Clear? Where the three altitude intersect each other is called the orthocenter of a triangle. Now, next we will talk about incenter. Look here. This is a triangle and this is a circle. A, B, C. Now, the angular bisector of these triangles. Look here. Angle bisector of angle A, angle bisector of angle B, and angle bisector of angle C. Where these 3 points meets, you can say that angular bisector of a triangle, angular bisector of the triangle, yeah, or you can say intersection of angular bisector of a triangle is called incenter. This means that where the angular bisector intersect each other, that point is called the incenter. That point is called the incenter. Now, next we will talk about circumcenter. Circumcenter. What is circumcenter? This is a triangle. Circum means from outside, like this. Like this. This is a triangle A, B, C. Now, in this triangle, where the perpendicular bisector of this AB, BC and AC meets, perpendicular bisector. Here, you can say that point of intersection of perpendicular bisector of a triangle is called circumcenter. Circumcenter is the point of intersection of perpendicular bisector of a triangle. This means that any line which is this is bisecting this line, perpendicular bisector. This is perpendicular also and bisector also. This is perpendicular bisector of this line AB, this BC and AC. Where it meets, it's called the circumcenter. So student, that's all for this video. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Thank you.